Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the distance from a point to a line. So I'm going to inverse from a point to a line. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got this project, I've got a whole bunch of points laid out, including a couple of lines drawn. And you can see here what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to get the distance from point 344 here to the line between 1196 and 1197. And what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner and select Calculations and then a traverse/intersection. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a direction intersection here. So for point 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the point on my line, in this case 1196, and then my direction I'm going to set between 1196 and 1197. And you'll see here on the screen that I get this nice red line running between point 1196 and 1197. For point 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select 344, and then my direction I'm again going to set it as 1196 ... 1197. And what I want to do is I want to ensure that I am 90 degrees to that line. That'll give me the perpendicular distance, which is the shortest distance to the line. So what I'm going to do is I can add a minus 90 degrees here. And if I hit enter, that's going to give me the intersection between those two bearings. And you can see here, I get the intersection on the line with a solution point. So I can store that solution point, or if I hit the info button here, you can see from point 344, I get a distance of 82.383 meters. Now, because of the way the direction intersection works, I don't have to do a minus 90. I can also go 11996 ... 11997 and go plus 90 degrees. It won't show me the green dot, but I do get that same 82.383 meter distance. So if I close this menu here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to store the solution point here as 1198. I'm going to call it test, store the point, and you can see here I've got that point on the line now. So if I go to my map and I select 1198 and inverse 2.344, you see I get that same 82.383 meter distance. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to get the distance from a point to a straight line. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.